Hello students, today we are going to start your first chapter, that is networking. This chapter will cover what is network, then your advantages of network, then components of network, then your types of network, then topology, and at last disadvantages. So first let us understand what is network. You have already studied in the lower class what is network. Actually network means interconnected of, network means interconnected of set of objects. Set of objects like your printer, your speaker, your laptop, computer or desktop, etc. That means when these hardware devices are interconnected with each other to form a network. What is computer network? What is computer network? When a set of devices, that means at least two or more computers, when interconnected with each other and also communicate with each other, that means that stage we can say that is a computer network. So a computer network, it is a collection of independent computers that allows us to communicate with each other, that is known as computer network. Next, your network configuration. Actually there are two types of network configuration available. First one is your peer to peer network and another is client server network. What is peer to peer network? Peer to peer network is a network where less than 10 computers are involved. Less than 10 computers are involved. You have seen in a cyber cafe there are at least 5 to 6 computers. They are interconnected with each other. Let's see the figure. Here is a computer, here is a computer, here is a computer, here is a computer. They are interconnected with each other. When this device want to communicate with each other, they can communicate with each other. That means that are connected in a peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, security is not needed. Next, what is client server network? Actually, client server network is used in a larger network. In a client server network, a server can act a major role because server keeps all the data and sources. Example, your Google, your Yahoo, etc. Suppose you want to search on information on a computer, so you type data on Google browser. When you type data, a set of websites are displayed on your screen. When you click on a website, then certain data will come. What the data comes from? Actually, the data comes from the Google server because Google server keeps all the data and sources. Do you understand? Listen. What is the difference between peer-to-peer and client server? Client means user, server means a larger computer which gives the many data and sources. In peer-to-peer networking, the machines are easily to set up. Easy to set up. It is difficult to set up. Second point, it is less expensive. It is more expensive. It takes more time to maintain. It takes less time to maintain. There is no security needed. In this case, security is needed. It doesn't require any server. It requires server. Suppose in client server network, suppose security is not needed. When security is not needed, suppose you transact a suppose you make a money transaction on PhonePe. Suppose security is not needed. So if security is not needed, your money will not send to the proper place. That means your money will be lost. That's why security is needed in client server network. Next, come to the point advantages. Network is over, then advantages. What are the advantages? Reduced redundancy. Actually, redundancy means error. Redundancy means error. In networking configuration, there is no redundancy. Next, it is lower cost and save resources. third point, powerful communication medium. Powerful communication medium means you can make your voice call, you can make transaction, you can make email, you can make video call. That's why networking configuration is powerful communication medium. Next, allow resource sharing. Suppose you want to share your video on YouTube. So there is a network configuration is needed. If network configuration doesn't here, so you cannot be allowed to share your videos. Next, components of a network. A component of a network consisting of following parts. What are the components to make a network? At least 2 computers needed to make a network. Next, a cable is needed because cable connects 2 computers. Suppose here is a computer, here is the another computer. So a cable is needed to these 2 computers. Next, NIC. Full form of NIC is network interface card. Network interface card means when you purchase a computer, by default a network interface card is attached with your system. Why? Because when you want to surf a internet website, if network interface card is not installed, then your device doesn't access a network. That's why NIC card is already installed. Then your switch, then your network operating system software. What is operating system? Operating system is a software to interlink between user and computer. If operating system is not installed on your computer, then your computer cannot run. That's why operating system is needed. What is network operating system? If network operating system is not installed, then your computer doesn't support network. That's why network operating system is installed. Next, your types of network. There are various types. So first is LAN, second is MAN, third is WAN, fourth is VPN, fifth is PAN, sixth is CAN. From these types, LAN, WAN, MAN are very important network. Let us discuss elaborately. What is LAN? Full form of LAN is local area network. Actually, it covers within a small geographical area. It covers within a small geographical area, such as in a single building. Suppose you want to access your network or access your internet within your school premises, so you have to install LAN. Its speed is very faster very faster among all these network. So what is the connection of LAN? Suppose here is a server. There are computers interconnected with each other and also its server. When suppose you want to transfer data to all the computers, so you transfer data to the server and the server transfer to all the computers, that is LAN, and it covers within a single building. Next, your MAN. What is MAN? Metropolitan Area Network. It covers within the entire city. LAN covers a single building, but MAN covers entire city. It provides speedy communication, but lower than RAM, lower than LAN. Actually, MAN is owned by a private company. Next, what is WAN? WAN means, full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. It provides long distance transmission. Suppose you want to connect your network to Australia, so you have to first connect WAN, then WAN provides your data to Australia. It operates actually slower rate. It actually operates in a slower rate. Then your VPN. Full form of a VPN is Virtual Private Network. VPN uses a technique known as tunneling. Through tunneling, VPN transfer data from one place to another. Actually, tunneling means to transfer data securely. Next, PAN. The full form of PAN is Personal Area Network. Actually, wireless technology companies use PAN. Next, CAN. Full form of CAN is Campus Area Network. It is connected within a university or a local business campus. University or a local business campus.